guys, what's up? It's Riley. This is the vlog that I was going to show you guys of my friend's property that I went to, and there was actually a fire there recently, actually a few weeks, maybe 2 weeks ago, and it was a huge fire and it took up over 60,000 acres. So you guys are gonna see some hills that are burnt. I just thought you guys should know why they were burnt, but that had happened. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to click the subscribe button because your guys' support means so much to me, and I'm gonna find ways to give back to you guys with giveaways and a bunch of other stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks, bye. I'll see you guys on Sunday.
Driving me wild, wild, wild. You're driving me wild. White noise in my mind won't calm down. You're all I think about. Running on the music and night highs, but when the lights out, it's me and you now. Cause there's still too long to the weekend, too long till I come in your hands, too long since I've been a fool. Oh, yeah. Leave this blue neighborhood, never knew love could hurt this good. Oh, and it drives me wild. Cause when you look like that, I've never ever wanted to be so bad. Oh, it drives me wild. You're driving me wild, wild, wild. You're driving me wild, wild, wild. You're driving me wild, wild. No!
Okay, we're just gonna go down a hill. That's yeah, a hill that we don't even know.
Sao nó mới chạy vậy mà trời. Saki no, no so good. No so good. Chúng nó mới chạy rồi trời. Trời. Wow. Trời, nó mà chạy. Saki! Ai, mở chạy. Ai chạy? Ai chạy mà chạy, ai đọc ủa? Ai chạy mày? Ai mà chạy? Chạy mày! Hồi chạy!
Oh, Prince!
Anh em ba! Wow! Saki!
Saki!
Chạy là mà chạy! Oh shit! No! Oh! 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 Oh, sensei! Yeah, it's a boy! Oh! Oh, we call that shit fire! In Okinawa, go cheap fire! Hanjai! Whoa! You hold on!
We hold on!
No hold on me! You hold on out there! Got it! Tôi lên mày ra đây. Ai chạy. Ở đây mới trời ơi, trời mình nhớ mà chạy trời. Chạy. Ra đây. Sao mau đi mình hui sao mà chạy.